Well, we got another package. Alright, I'll go check it out.
Oh, good doggy. What do we got here? Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing or unenveloping video. This one is an Etsy purchase from, I believe, TreasurePatrol. So let's just be a quick short item list here. I've actually gone ahead and started to tear it open. So go ahead and take a look at the contents. I also have a cheat sheet because I don't actually, there wasn't a manifest here. So what I had actually ordered was some rank slides. So I'll just lay them out here real quick. Got that one. Seems to be the highest rank out of all these four. You can see the various sizes of them too. These I always mess up. I believe it goes that way. So I believe we have an RAF. These will be all British. RAF Flight Sergeant Air Crew. And I won't say these in American, I'll say these in British English. RAF Sergeant Air Crew, a Chief Technician and a Junior Technician. And the order was these four, but I've noticed that it included this with silver bullion on the slide and a serial number. So that was thrown in for extra. So this, thank you. Again, this is an Etsy purchase. This came from the Etsy store TreasurePatrol. They are out of the Ukraine, so expect delivery times accordingly. No complaints there. Again, from TreasurePatrol on Etsy. This has been another episode of unboxing. We also do other videos in the playlist, as well as other playlists of show and tell and a Curios for the Curious series. If you've ever checked those out, and feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.